As the automotive world advances into the future, one technology stands out for its promise to change the way we think about engine performance: the variable compression ratio (VCR) engine. For decades, internal combustion engines have been limited by fixed compression ratios, restricting their efficiency and performance potential. But what if we could change that? In this exciting journey, we will explore the top 10 points about the future of VCR engines, where they are headed, and what they could mean for the automotive industry and consumers alike. Number 10. What is a variable compression ratio engine? A variable compression ratio engine is one where the compression ratio, how much the engine compresses the air-fuel mixture before ignition, can be dynamically altered to optimize performance or efficiency. Imagine an engine that can adjust its compression ratio depending on the driving conditions, giving you the perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency when you need it most. This revolutionary concept promises to usher in a new era of smarter, more efficient engines. But the question remains, can this technology be perfected to the point where it becomes mainstream? Number 9. Efficiency at its best, unleashing unmatched fuel economy. One of the most thrilling aspects of VCR technology is its potential to improve fuel economy. By lowering the compression ratio during low-load conditions, VCR engines could reduce fuel consumption without sacrificing power. In contrast, a higher compression ratio can be used during high-load conditions to maximize power output. Could this be the ultimate solution to the growing demand for better fuel economy in the automotive world? Or are there limitations we still need to overcome? Number 8. Performance boost, the power of flexibility. When it comes to performance, variable compression ratio engines have the potential to revolutionize the driving experience. Imagine driving a car that can seamlessly switch between a fuel-efficient mode for city driving and a high-performance mode for exhilarating highway acceleration. This flexibility offers a new level of performance that traditional engines simply cannot match. But as thrilling as this sounds, can VCR engines deliver on this promise when it comes to real-world driving? Number 7. Environmental benefits, a green future. As environmental concerns continue to rise, the automotive industry faces increasing pressure to reduce emissions. With a VCR engine, vehicles could significantly reduce harmful emissions by optimizing combustion for cleaner fuel burn. This could position VCR engines as a key technology in the fight against climate change. However, will this innovation be enough to meet the stringent emissions regulations of the future? Or will additional breakthroughs be needed to truly make VCR engines a green technology? Number 6. Cost and complexity, a major hurdle. While the promise of VCR technology is immense, there are still significant challenges to overcome, particularly in terms of cost and complexity. VCR engines require sophisticated mechanisms to adjust the compression ratio in real time, which adds complexity to the engine design and raises production costs. Can automakers reduce the cost of these systems enough to make VCR engines affordable for the average consumer? Or will this technology remain a premium feature for luxury vehicles? Number 5. Integration with hybrid powertrains, a match made in heaven? As hybrid vehicles continue to rise in popularity, VCR engines could play a key role in enhancing their efficiency. By integrating variable compression technology into hybrid powertrains, automakers could create even more efficient systems that maximize both the electric and internal combustion components. For example, the engine could adjust its compression ratio for maximum fuel efficiency, while the electric motor provides additional power when needed. This synergy could provide drivers with a more sustainable driving experience without compromising on performance. Could hybrid systems with VCR engines become the ultimate solution for a greener and more powerful future? Number 4. The road to mainstream adoption, the path to mass production. For VCR engines to become a common feature in vehicles, they will need to undergo mass production on a large scale. As it stands, VCR technology is still relatively new and has only been implemented in a handful of vehicles, primarily in high-end models like the Infiniti QX50. To make this technology more widespread, automakers must invest in scaling up production, improving reliability, and driving down costs. But here's the twist. Will VCR engines be able to transition from expensive, luxury vehicles to affordable mainstream options, Or will they remain niche innovations reserved for the upper echelons of the automotive market? Number 3. Reliability and durability. Will they stand the test of time? When it comes to engine technology, one of the most important factors is durability. For VCR engines to become a trusted option for consumers, they must prove themselves to be reliable and long-lasting, even with their added complexity. The adjustable components within a VCR engine, such as the pistons and crankshafts, are subjected to constant wear and tear, which raises concerns about their long-term performance and maintenance requirements. Can automakers overcome these reliability concerns and ensure that VCR engines stand the test of time? Or will durability issues hinder their widespread adoption? Number 2. Competition from electric vehicles. Will they overcome the EV threat? While VCR engines hold great promise, they are still facing tough competition from electric vehicles, EVs. With their zero-emission powertrains and growing infrastructure, EVs are quickly becoming the go-to option for eco-conscious consumers. VCR engines, on the other hand, still rely on combustion, meaning they will never be as environmentally friendly as EVs. While VCR technology can improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, it still cannot match the clean energy potential of fully electric vehicles. Could VCR engines find their place in a world that is increasingly turning toward electric power? Or will they be left in the dust as the industry shifts toward cleaner alternatives? Number 1. The future outlook. Where do we go from here? As we look to the future, the potential for variable compression ratio engines is undeniable. These engines could revolutionize the way we think about performance, fuel efficiency, and environmental sustainability, offering a new level of flexibility that traditional engines simply cannot match. However, there are still many challenges to overcome, including cost, reliability, and competition from electric vehicles. The question remains, will VCR engines become a mainstream technology that shapes the future of automotive transportation? Or will they be relegated to niche markets, overshadowed by the rise of electric vehicles? The future of VCR engines is still uncertain, but one thing is clear: the battle for the future of automotive technology is just beginning. In conclusion, the future of variable compression ratio engines holds immense promise, offering the potential to change the automotive landscape forever. From better fuel economy to increased performance, VCR engines could provide the best of both worlds. However, challenges remain in terms of cost, complexity, and competition from electric vehicles. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see whether VCR engines can rise to the occasion and play a significant role in the transportation revolution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and updates. Stay tuned for our next video.